When you're trying to find the missing side of a right triangle, you want to make sure you use your word SOHCAHTOA to help you out, all right? Because depending on where that angle is, you're going to have information in the opposite, the adjacent, or the hypotenuse. And in this particular one, we have information along the adjacent side and the hypotenuse. So A and H are the two letters I'm using with that, which means that C is going to stand for cosine. I'm going to use a cosine equation to help me out. I'm going to say cosine of my angle, 23 degrees, equals, then the order of the letters also matter. So this is going to be a fraction. On the top of the fraction is going to be the A. That's the adjacent side, the side next to the one you're working with, in this case 5. And the hypotenuse, remember, is always across from a right angle, so this is going to be X. And I chose this one on purpose because with the X is in the denominator, sometimes that's a little bit tricky. Let's multiply both sides by X to get it out of the denominator, so they cancel on that side. This side now is just going to be X times cosine of 23 degrees. And all that's left on this side is the 5. To undo this times cosine 23, this is just a number. We can just divide by cosine of 23. And I'm going to do it to both sides to keep my equal sign true. Cosine of 23. And then as long as your calculator is in degree mode, you can just type this in exactly like it looks. 5 divided by cosine of 23. And it gives us 5.43 as our answer for X. X equals 5.43. All right, one last thing is if you know what your hypotenuse is, it should be longer than every other side, and 5.4 is bigger than 5.